Good morning, kindergarten. We're going to start off our day with a little bit of math. Are you ready? Okay, so I have put our calendar number up here today. If yesterday was the 7th day of April, what is today? You're right, it is the 8th day of April. And what day of the week is it today? Yesterday was Tuesday. Yes, today is Wednesday. Can you sing your days of the week with me? Do you want to give it a try? Here we go. I've got a little music to go with us.
Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week.
Good job. All right. So let's read our calendar together. Are you ready? Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Good job. So today for math, we're going to be talking a little bit about shapes. And I know you guys have worked all year on shapes, right? We've become shape experts on some of those shapes. Can you name them? Yes, circle, rectangle, triangle. What's the one with 6 sides? A hexagon, right? All of those shapes, we've really become shape experts. And today we're going to not talk about just those shapes that we've learned. Like this is a rectangle, right? This is a flat shape. So those flat shapes that we've learned all year, those are called 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes. That means that they're flat shapes. But today we're going to talk about a different kind of shape. This shape is called a 3D shape. Have you heard of that before? So it's a three-dimensional shape. That means that it's not flat. It is a shape that you would find, right, that you could hold on to. It's not a flat shape. So I've got some examples here that maybe you can find some of these examples in your house. I bet you have a bunch of 3D shapes. So I went through my pantry and I took a look. I found some sprinkles that the kids love to put onto their ice cream. This is a 3D shape. It's in the shape of a cylinder. I also was going through the garage and looked at all of the balls that we play with. This is a golf ball. Do you know what this 3D shape is called? It's not a circle. It's called a sphere. Can you say that? It's like an SF, sphere. Yeah. And then another one, we've been playing lots of games at my house. I don't know if you've been playing lots of games at yours, but I thought of dice. Do you know what 3D shape these are? It's called a cube. You've probably heard of that before, like an ice cube, right? That's a cube. So we're going to go over some 3D shapes, and I'm going to show you a little presentation that I put together, and then I'm going to have you go on a 3D shape hunt around your house and see what 3D shapes that you can find, and that'll be in Seesaw. So that's our math lesson for today. So let's learn a little bit more about these 3D shapes. Okay, let's explore and learn a little bit more about these 3D shapes. The first shape is a sphere. We talked about that one, right? It looks like a ball. What shape do you see here? A circle. And all around it you'll see circles. Just like the earth or a basketball. The next shape is a cylinder. Cylinders can be different sizes, but you'll find on the top and also on the bottom, there will be a circle, just like a can that you would find in your pantry. Here's a cone. This one's pretty easy because it looks just like an ice cream cone, right? We see this shape here, which is, you're right, a triangle. And then on the inside of the cone, you'll see this shape here, which is a circle, right? That could be at the top or the bottom of the cone. The next one is a cube. What shape do you see here? You are right, a square. And you know, you'll find a square on all sides of a cube. Do you have any idea how many sides there are on a cube? There are 6, so you'll find 6 squares put together to make a cube. Here's a pyramid. What shape do you see here? You are right, a triangle. And at the bottom of the pyramid, can you guess what shape you might see if I were to draw underneath this? You're right, there's a square at the bottom of the pyramid. Have you ever seen a picture of these before? The pyramids in Egypt? That's exactly what a pyramid looks like. All right, so here's your challenge for at home. Check out Seesaw. There's an activity in there for you to do a scavenger hunt at home, and also a video for you to watch. Have fun.